Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and a lot of you have been asking me to do an update on my iRestore laser hair helmet review. And it's been over a year since my last update in December of 2016. It's now March of 2018, so without further ado, here is my almost 2-year anniversary update of using the iRestore laser hair helmet. So this is the device, if you can recall what it looks like. It looks like a bike helmet with some funky little pads and laser lights attached inside. And if you guys followed my previous series, you saw in the 6-month update, I did see some improvement using the laser hair helmet. My hair went from being fine and brittle to a little bit thicker with a better texture, a softer feel, and basically a healthier look to it. It's pretty subtle, sometimes it doesn't come across well in the video, but I feel like if I pull on my hair, it doesn't pull out, it doesn't break. I don't really have to worry about being as rough on my hair as I used to be, because previously when I would run a comb through it, it would just be like gobs and gobs of hair was coming out. But now I really don't experience that anymore. So I'm sure a lot of you are curious, what is different between my hair now and what it was 15 months ago for my last update? And the answer to that is simply not that much. Basically, my hair has stayed the same for the last 15 months. And I'll tell you why that's a good thing. Because over the last 10 years, while I was watching my hairline recede and watching my hair thin, every year my hair got worse. If you can hold on to your hair and prolong the status quo as long as possible, that's actually really great. One of the reasons why I chose low-level laser light therapy as a solution to my hair loss problem is because it was non-invasive, it didn't require surgery, it was non-medicinal, and it didn't have any undesirable side effects. So the only risk here is that maybe it doesn't work for you, because this technology doesn't always work for everyone. It depends on your genetics, it depends on the kind of hair loss you're experiencing and its progression. So there's a lot of factors here that can affect whether or not the device works for you. I'm just so happy that for me it worked out and I did see some improvements in my hair, and in fact I've been able to maintain those improvements over the last year and a half. So I can honestly say that I plan on using this device indefinitely until it breaks, and when that happens I'll probably have to find another product on the market that maybe there's going to be improvements since then, or maybe iRestore will have, a better product on the market, maybe something that doesn't look as ridiculous. But the thing with triple LT technology is when you stop using the device, you lose the gains and your hair reverts back to its natural state. So I basically can't stop using the device, even if I wanted to, which isn't a big deal because I only use it 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm not as regular with the schedule as I used to be in the beginning. I don't really worry that much about skipping a day or even a few days. If I go on vacation for a week or more, over that time frame, you really don't see that much of a detriment to your progress. I am completely happy with my results even 2 years later. So if you are considering getting this device for your hair loss, just know that it is a long-term commitment. And you do have to be fairly committed, especially in the beginning, to using it every other day and using it for the full session length of 25 minutes. After that, you do have to continue to use it for maintenance. And that's just a decision that you're going to have to make in your ongoing battle with your own hair loss. There are plenty of low-level light therapy devices out there, so if you do decide to use iRestore, one of the great things about buying their helmet is that there is a no-risk guarantee for 6 months. So if you buy the helmet and you use it as directed and it doesn't do anything for you, just return it and you'll get your full investment back. The other thing that I want to mention is that if you use my special affiliate link in the description below, it'll take you to their website where iRestore has a lot of promotions, and you could save $100 or even $200 off your order. Any commissions earned from the sale will go to support this channel so I can bring you more updates like this in the future. So I hope you enjoyed this update. I hope it answered some of the questions that you might have had since my last update and gave you a little sample of what my hair looks like today. As always, you can watch the other videos on my channel. I post about every day so you can see what my hair looks like over the long term, even if I don't do one of these updates. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. and join me next time.